welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna watch me make a new gym bag. I started going to the gym again recently and I want a new gym bag as a motivator, and I have all this new Ankara, so that's what I'm going to make. Capulana, that's what I'm going to make today, is a gym bag. So I've been seeing like a lot of these recently. I don't know, the universe is trying to tell me something, but it's like a regular string gym bag, right? Except instead of having the shoulders like this, it just has like the string to close it, and then it has one strap. So it's like a shoulder bag, but a gym bag, and then it gets to like fold in half if you don't have a lot of stuff in it. And so that's what we're gonna be making today. Some things I already did. I already cut out about this, approximately this size of fabric, because this is about the size I need. I already have the lining. Okay, hold on. So this is the capulana we're using today. You'll remember this from my unboxing video. And then for the lining, I'm just using literally some old curtain that I had used to like prototype a different bag. But because one, I don't have another, I don't have like other lining that like I think matches. All the other colors are like weird for this capulana specifically. So I'm just gonna use this. Plus I like how soft this fabric is for the inside. And then, so I cut out total of 4 squares, and then I already took out 3 by 3 inches on the bottom, which is to make the little stand part. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I still can't decide, so you'll see at the end. You'll see at the end what I end up doing. I don't know if I'm gonna do like this blue strap or this green strap. I think the blue, but like the green could also be a vibe, so we'll see about that. And then for the string bit, for the drawstring, I have a bunch of different options and none of them work except the white, so we're gonna do the white. These guys can. Okay, I know I just started straight up into the video. By the way, welcome if you're new. My name is Joyce, and this is my YouTube channel where I make things for myself, because why not? And with that, let's get on to the video. Here is my baby. This is my baby. Oh, honestly, I think instead of like, because these aren't really tutorials, I think I've talked about this in like a past video of mine that I did almost like a year ago. But these aren't really going to be tutorials because, well, I don't really know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just literally winging it. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But I've been getting a lot better lately because, I don't know, I feel like I've just been more focused, if anything. So yeah, we're pinning right now. Okay, here is the whole thing pinned. Now I'm gonna sew along the sides and then across the bottom, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Hold on. Okay, I moved so you can see what I'm doing, and I think it's gonna work better from this direction. Also, guys, I just got this. I know it's like very common in the sewing community or whatever, or people who sew, but I just got this for the first time. Let me tell you, I'm never going back to scissors. This is a game changer. Like, what? Okay, hello, hi again. The part I wanted to show you, so I double stitched this side, the other side, and this bottom side. For the pockets, basically the little V, you're supposed to like turn them like this. I saw this on a YouTube video. Fuck. I just realized I put this side on the wrong side. And now this side is gonna be the inside. But that's okay. We'll live. Anyway, back to my point. You're supposed to turn them like this and then sew straight. That was it. That was my point. What you want from me? We are back. I did both of these. See the little square thing I was talking about, so it has a place to stand, and we're turning them over. I had really wanted this to be like from the cotton fabric. Again, if you watched my last video, you'll know. You can also tell probably from the way that like the movement of this looks, if you can see. I don't even know if my camera's straight, but it's just a little hard. It has like no, it's harder to manipulate. You're supposed to dip them in like boiling hot water, which I might do that, but ooh, this is giving. This is cute. Okay, this one has to go. Did I do this wrong? Hold on. No, I did. Okay, I know what it is. This one shouldn't have been turned over yet. You need to be... Again, like I said, this is not a tutorial. Like, I feel like I would steer someone so wrong. More so like of the watch, and maybe if you want to try to do it by yourself type, but like not a follow step-by-step type situation, because your girl, there we go. This is how you're supposed to do it. So put one inside of the other, that way the pretty side and the pretty side. Coolios, petunios. And I just realized I need an opening. Okay, yeah, brainstorm. Brain. I need an opening on one side, on both sides actually. Dosho. I needed to do the string thing, and for that I need an opening on both sides, which means I shouldn't have sewn all the way to the top. Intermission. Okay, hi, hello again. I love how I went on a whole monologue about how this is not a tutorial because I will mess up, and then proceeded to mess up, but we have fixed it, and it actually is a great leeway. So all I did, because I had sewn all the way up to the top, right? All I did was basically take out the thread for 2.5 inches and then lock the stitch on all sides. And then I took the little flap that had like, because I had sewn it, so this division of the side, and I just pinned them together because we're gonna sew them like this so they're nice and pretty, because then they're gonna fold and this will be the opening for the string. So it actually worked out in our favor. Now I'm about to sew these 4 corners and we'll be right back. Okay, all fixed, and we made it look so pretty. Not me getting copyrighted. Okay, all fixed. The corners look like this, all pretty. Now for the real. I think I should do a zigzag stitch actually. Oh, but the zigzag stitch is cute. Okay, cool. Passa, vai. Qual é a cena? puse de la cosilla aquí. Aha. Okay. I realized that I should have made this strap earlier, and like I knew that, just so it doesn't show across on the other side, but it's fine. I don't care if you have like a little line that shows the strap, but if in the unlikely scenario that you're following along with this video and trying to make this bag, please attach the strap before attaching the lining. Okay, just like that, beautiful and neat. Now we're gonna do the string. If I remember how to do it correctly, do I need to look up a YouTube video? No, I don't. I did this for Insa's lunchbox, like literally not even a couple days ago. No, I know exactly what I need to do. Okay, I got it. You're gonna need a safety pin. Boop. And then you're gonna send your safety pin across with the string. Now it's gotta go in the other way. Ta-da! This one does the, oh Lord. You will close. That is something that you will be doing. Right? Just wait. The vision is visioning, okay? Okay, I'm back. Why do I need a lighter, you may be asking? Because of this. Okay, cool. Gotta do the same thing again. but this time to the other side. Woo! Okay. Guys, now we only have one final thing to do. This will do the thing. The bag is a little, you know, the fabric is a little tight, but over time, I think it will just loosen up, honestly. So, here you have it. I think I will tie knots on the ends. I haven't decided, so we'll see. But now for the very final thing that we're going to be doing, we're going to add a side body strap. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Like, not even gonna front. This is mad fashion. If I were to want it to like do a half crossbody, it would be here. So do we really want a blue strap or a green strap? I cannot decide. So we're gonna take them both out. No, I think we're gonna go for the blue strap. Yep, definitely going for the blue strap. Wow, this is still long as hell. Okay. Actually, this is exactly the placement. Now we're just gonna sew like a little box thing. That's not half bad. Ugh. That was so scary. I never want to do that again. I should have attached the straps beforehand, but I think it worked out. We're gonna do finishing touches. We're tying the knots on the ends of these strings. I think we've done it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay guys, that concludes my video. Here is the final product. I put everything that I used to go to the gym in here, like there's my sneakers, my water bottle, my towel, and my headphones. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, do all of that stuff. I hope you enjoyed my very chaotic style of filming. It will continue to be chaotic because that's just what it is. And if you would like to make this, I hope this helps somehow. And yes, that is everything. Stay tuned for my next video. Ciao.